Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing an image that will look sharp on your screen. Higher resolution prevents blur. Once you find an image, open it in a new tab to confirm its full size and aspect ratio, and then save it to an easy-to-access folder like Downloads or Pictures. Make sure the file format is JPG or PNG for widest compatibility. You're now ready to apply it. So move to your device settings and locate the wallpaper or background controls to continue. On a desktop, navigate straight to your system's background controls. For Windows, open Settings, Personalization, Background, pick Picture and browse to your saved file. Choose Fill or Fit depending on aspect ratio. On Mac OS, open System Settings, Desktop and Dock, then add the image or drag it into the preview and select Scaling. Adjust placement options so the subject isn't cropped. Once done, confirm and close settings. The image becomes your wallpaper immediately, and you can tweak if edges appear clipped. On mobile, open the saved image and use your OS wallpaper tools. Android, open Gallery, More or the Share menu, then set as Wallpaper, choosing Home, Lock, or both. Pick Crop and Fit. iPhone, open Photos, tap Share, use as Wallpaper, then move and scale before setting. If the wallpaper looks pixelated or badly cropped, re-download a higher resolution image or use an image editor to crop to your screen's aspect ratio first. That usually fixes alignment and sharpness problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.